The most basic thing is that the math over how much of your company you're giving away is kind of obscured by the way that the terms work. You're not giving away a fixed percentage most of the time, and it's not even set up with the standard pre or post money valuation. They either convert on a valuation cap or a discount to your next round of financing. So many founders don't realize how much of a company they're giving away with safes. So raising too much on a safe, especially with a high discount or a low valuation cap, can result in giving away too much of the equity, which again is really the key to all of your control. If you are able to maintain ownership of 80, 90, 95% of your company, it's very unlikely that you'll be losing control. If after your first round of financing, you're down to 55%, 50, 40% of your company, you could get in trouble really fast. There are also a couple of smaller things that founders could give away. Sometimes along with safes, investors ask for Prorata rights, which gives the investor a right to invest in the company's next rounds of financing. And while you might look at that initially and say, well, what's wrong with giving investors more of just an opportunity to invest at the same rate as new investors? With a lot of smaller investors or investors who might not be adding value anymore, you don't want them putting in more money and squeezing out new investors who are adding not only new dollars, but potential connections and guidance and things like that. Those are the couple of things to watch out for. But again, safes are a relatively simple instrument that look to the terms of your next financing. So the terms of that next financing are going to be really important. And signing a term sheet for your Series A, that is something that should not be done quickly and should be done with a lot of care and consultation of a lawyer.
To read the rest of this research, type "What's the best founder-friendly term sheet" into Google and click on isaiah.blog.